The air filter on this generation Kia K4 is quite easy to replace yourself without any tools except possibly something to pry things apart if they're stuck. Whether yours comes apart easily or is still factory sealed like this one, here's how you do it. Start by locating the hood release and pulling it. Lift the hood and unlock it to pull it up to open position. Now we can locate this black plastic box. While the turbo and non-turbo engines look different, this box should be the same, as will the air filter inside it. Look for the two clips that lock the box together and unclip them. One folds upward and the other downward. Make sure they are out of the way when you pull the box apart, which may stick a little, especially since this one hasn't been opened since the car was built. If you need a prying tool, I will link to the multi-purpose ones I use in the description, but you probably own some sort of object that will work just fine. You will need a new air filter though, so check out your options in the description as well. The air filter itself may stick just like the air box, and you'll use that same prying tool to remedy that here. Once the filter is out, you can put in your new filter. The sealing part will be at the top, and the filter part will stick below that. The filter has two correct ways to insert it, so as long as it fits and is flat like this when it drops in, you're good. Attach the cover, making sure it sits in the back in a spot you'll feel it fitting into, and once it is in there, you should be able to close it all the way and the two clamps will go on easily. Remove any items you may have left in the engine bay and close the hood. Great work, and thanks for watching Car Simplified. Want to hear my review of this car? You can check out that video by selecting that video on the screen now.